going? For those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Nicole Cheney, and I'm coming at you from Ontario, Canada. Okay, so we're gonna make some fried rice with a twist, with some scallops in it. So, like, I'm super excited to show you guys what I've kind of created because we don't have cauliflower in our house right now. So I got creative with it. All right, so I'm super excited for this. So when you pop on the live, you can drop me 1. If you're watching a replay, you can drop me a 5, okay, in the comments. And we will get started on this. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of like bring the camera down to this because I know it's a little hard to see at this angle. I don't understand why. Because this angle used to work so well. Like, no, it doesn't. But I made the rice out of zucchini, kale, broccoli, and some cabbage. And I have it all chopped up into rice form right now. And we're going to fry that up. And I'm going to bring it, kind of zoom you in on it here. There you go. So you can kind of see that this here is like, you know, some cabbage, and then there's some zucchini. And the broccoli, it's all green, so it's hard to tell the difference. But we're gonna have green fried rice. That's what we're gonna have tonight. All right, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Okay. So what we do here to start is we're gonna add some oil to this and get it frying. As I was chopping, I would put it in the frying pan. I didn't put oil in it, so I'm just gonna move this to the side. Put some oil in here and then kind of stir some oil in. So I'm gonna grab some olive oil and fry it in the frying pan. Okay. Who watching this is keto? I would love to know. Put it in the comments if you're keto, or if you're thinking about starting keto. I would love to know. Okay, let's see if I can kind of angle this better for you guys before it really starts frying up here. Let's see. That's not gonna work. You're just kind of like stuck in my cupboard here, so I'm just trying to make things kind of work. And let's see. That's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. You can kind of see my pan now and kind of see what's going on. Right now, we're just going to fry up this stuff here. Start getting it nice and warm, nice and hot. And if you are keto, how long have you been keto for? That's always like very interesting to me, of how long you've been keto for. For me personally, I've been 2 years keto. My hubby has been 1 year, and my daughters have been 1 year keto. We are a keto family. All of us are, and that's what this page and this channel is all about. Is showing you that how you can do keto with a family, okay, with your kids, and like sharing recipes that my kids actually really like and enjoy, and they will eat this with us, okay? My oldest is 4, my youngest is 2, and we started the kids on the ketogenic lifestyle when my 4-year-old daughter got diagnosed with autism. That's when we started doing this. We started taking out sugar slowly, and then she just started eating everything that I eat. And we just kind of went from there. Now, she's not like strict keto, so like I make her like keto snacks, and she kind of goes a little crazy with them. Like I make her some keto crackers, some keto cookies, fat bombs. She loves the fat bombs, okay? What other? We do mug cakes all the time for her. Her birthday cakes have always been keto. We still give her all the stuff that kids really enjoy: pizza, chicken nuggets, all that stuff. Just keto friendly. That's all. Just keto friendly. Okay, now that it's gotten a little hot here, it's starting to fry up decently. We're going to add the egg. So I have 1 egg in here, and I whisked it, okay? I whisked it right up, and we're just going to pour the egg in here. Okay. Go. I'm going to get this mixed in here with this, and we're going to fry it with the egg for a little bit here. My pan was already pretty hot coming onto this video. That's what I did. I prepared the rice, and I got my pan kind of hot. So the frying process wouldn't take too long on camera. So I do, am aware that you guys are probably going to be cooking supper right now too. Now Evelyn doesn't like this, so she's gonna have a keto sandwich with peanut butter. We're gonna make some bread for her in the microwave, 90-second bread. We're gonna stick some peanut butter together, like in between it, and that's what she's gonna have. That's what she asked for. Adeline, though, my 2-year-old, she will eat this, and she's gonna love it. She's just gonna go, so good, mommy. She will literally eat anything, like anything. We give her. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so now this is starting to go. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the scallops now because they need to cook a little bit with the vegetables. So I have some baby scallops here, okay, and I'm just going to add them in the frying pan. Easy peasy. Go. They're nice and mixed. Now, at any point in time you want the recipe, just put recipe in the comments and I'll send you the recipe. No strings attached. I'll just send you the recipe. This is how we work here, helping each other out. And I thought this was like a really creative way, right? We can't really get groceries right now. And we ran out of cauliflower, so I was like, let's do broccoli. Like, we have a little bit of everything, so it was like, okay, let's do a little bit of broccoli. So it was a half a cup of broccoli in the rice form, 1/4 cup of kale. It was half a cup of zucchini chopped as rice, and then half a cup of the cabbage chopped up. So we're nice and green with the scallops in here. We got our egg in here. And now we're going to add, it's roughly the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, but we don't track in our family, okay? We're just very aware of our food. And there we go. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You just don't want to go too overboard with the soy sauce because soy sauce does have sugar in it. It does have carbs in it. You just want to be a little wary, okay? Now once this gets mixed in, okay, we are going to add our spices, and then I'm going to show you kind of how it looks in the pan to get a closer look on it, because I know I'm a little far away with this angle. I got to figure out a different angle. I just don't know how to do that in my kitchen. My kitchen's a little awkward. Ooh, there we go. I think we got the soy sauce right mixed in there now. And once you have everything all kind of added together, you just let it fry up together for like 5-8 minutes, and then you're done. You're good. It's like, this is really simple. The hardest part is making the rice from scratch. You can buy frozen rice from the store, so if you don't want to do it from scratch, you can totally do that. Okay, we're going to add some garlic powder because we are a garlic family. Okay, I know. Garlic on fried rice. You're thinking I'm nuts, but that's just what we like. Any of these spices, you can totally just grab what you like, okay? Like, we've done it with, like, Italian spice, oregano, parsley, basil sort of thing. But we do have our favorites, and that's with garlic, pig Himalayan salt on all your meals, okay? No matter what you're cooking. To give you those electrolytes, guys, because you're keto, they're getting sucked out. Even if you're just low carb, they're getting sucked out of your body, you want to replace them. I got some black pepper here. Sadly, I don't have any fresh left, so we're using this. And then, boom. Mix it all together. And then we just let it fry here for a couple minutes, and we're done. We're good to go. We are good to go. Okay, now that it's mixed together, I'll get you closer so you can see how it looks, okay? And as always, I'm going to take a picture afterwards and put it in the comments of this video, okay? Whoop! See, I fogged you up. fogged you up. Oh, it's what happens in this kitchen. Okay, so there we go. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Doesn't it? So on Facebook, I always put the picture of what I make in the comments. So if you want to follow me, you can see the last portion of this video. Okay. And on YouTube, I actually have the blog load up, so that will be in the description of the video there. So you can get the written recipe there. And if you want the written recipe in the blog form on Facebook, you can always just say that too. When you put recipe in the comments, I always just send you my blog post. Because it's really cool, my blog posts. Like, it's like you can print them off as like little recipe cards. You can have all the recipes just on little recipe cards in your little recipe book here on your counter. There we go. And we're done. Easy peasy. So I do want to thank each and every one of you for jumping on. I appreciate you. If you can follow, like this video, pass it along, subscribe to the channel. On YouTube, I upload 2 videos a week, and on Facebook, it's daily videos of low carb, keto, just kind of tips, tricks, and cooking. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.